Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix broken RAM. First, identify common symptoms like frequent system crashes or your computer failing to boot. Before you do anything else, make sure to power down your computer completely and unplug it from the wall. Always remember to ground yourself properly to prevent any electrostatic discharge from damaging sensitive components inside your machine. Now, carefully open your computer case and locate the RAM modules on the motherboard. Gently unclip and remove each RAM stick from its slot. Use compressed air to clean out any dust from the slots, and you can gently clean the gold contacts on the RAM sticks with a soft eraser. Then, firmly reinsert each module until the clips snap into place, securing them. To isolate a potential issue, install just one RAM stick into the first memory slot. Boot your computer and observe if it runs stably or if any errors appear. If it works, shut down and repeat this process with each individual RAM module. This method helps you pinpoint if a specific RAM stick is faulty or if there's an issue with a particular memory slot on your motherboard. If the problem persists, run a memory diagnostic tool, such as Windows Memory Diagnostic, to perform a deeper scan. Pay attention to any error codes, as they can provide clues about the issue. If a RAM module is confirmed faulty, the best solution is replacement. When purchasing new RAM, ensure it matches your system's specifications for optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.